Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have admin or device access and the browser or app ready. Open the page generating the display ad and reproduce it in a private window. This isolates cache and extensions. Once you see the ad, capture a screenshot and note its URL, network requests, and time. This helps determine whether it's served by the site, an extension, or adware. Make sure to keep a list of potential culprits before moving on. Now you act. If an extension or plugin is responsible, disable it and reload the page to verify removal. If the ad is server-side, add a rule in uBlock origin or modify your host's file to block the requesting domain. This stops future calls. Once done, run a trusted anti-malware scan and make sure to reset browser settings if persistent injection continues. That clears leftover scripts and restores default content filtering behavior. Finish by clearing cache and cookies so stale scripts aren't reloaded, then reopen the site to confirm the ad is gone. Test across another browser and on mobile to ensure the problem wasn't device-specific. If the ad persists, gather browser developer console logs, network traces, and the screenshots you took earlier. These artifacts make troubleshooting faster. One tip: if removal fails, boot in safe mode or create a new browser.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.